Alright guys, so today I got some air shocks for the Suburban. Got some ALC. I got some AC Delco. Get two of them. And then you get your airline kit. Pretty good. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take the old shocks off. I already put the shock extenders. I put it on top of those 2x6s, so the jack can go under the rear end, and we can lift it up there. So let me go ahead and lift it up, and then I'll take those shocks off. Alright, so here's both springs, the ones that I took off. I'm putting the other ones on. I already put the one on the driver's side on. It's right there. All I need to do is run the lines, their air lines. So I'm gonna put that other one on the passenger side, and then I'll run the lines. But they're pretty easy. Just take the old ones off and put the new ones on, and then you have to put the air the fitting towards the back, and then we'll run the lines here in a minute. Let me install that other one. Alright guys, so I put them on already. All I did was replace the shock with the air shock, and then ran the lines to the back right here. So it just one line from each shock, and it tees onto this little fitting right here in the back. I don't know, can't really tell. I had to crawl under there. I didn't record much because I was on the floor. And all I gotta do right now is put air in it and see how much it lifts up. But let me get that air compressor, and I'll start putting some air.